Welcome to another quarantine video by Team 75. Today we're going to be learning how to make hexaflexagons. So I'm sure you've probably not heard of hexaflexagons before, but they are these little hexagons, and you can see I kind of colored mine in over here, and they fold inside out and they fold backwards, and you can, go in and out with them, and they're super fun to play with and they're super fun to make. So the materials you're going to be needing are a piece of paper. I just use lined paper for this one, but you can use whatever kind of paper you want. Even patterned paper makes it really fun. You're gonna need some scissors, some tape or glue, and optional are some markers, but I like to keep mine all colored in. So as you can see, I have all the materials laid out here, and you can even get a better view of the hexaflexagon. It's super fun to play with, and it's never ending, and it's also really simple to make, as you'll see here. So I have my piece of paper here. I already cut a bit off to make this hexaflexagon, but I just used a ruler and a pencil to make a straight line so I could cut off this strip of paper here. We have our strip here. We're going to need to fold triangles because, as you can see, the hexaflexagon is made up of a ton of small triangles. So to start off, I'm just going to take this corner and I'm going to start by cutting off a section, so that would be the start of a triangle over here. So I take this edge and I'm just folding it up to the top of the strip, and then I'm turning it over and doing the same thing, just going back and forth of folding triangles. Okay, now that I've reached the end of the strip, I can unfold everything, and I'm gonna get a row of triangles. So if I'm using tape for this craft, then I need 9 triangles, and if I'm using glue, then I need 10 triangles. So just keep that in mind depending on what you're using. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 triangles. I only need 9. So I'm just gonna cut one off here. And I'm gonna cut the edge off right there. And now I have my 9 triangles. So this is the tricky part. You can always go back and replay this if you are having trouble folding into the hexaflexagon. So I'm gonna start off with my 3 triangles here. I'm gonna fold the rest of the strip up. Then I have 3 triangles here. I'll fold the strip up, and then I'm just gonna cross that over. And then I'll take my piece of tape. I'll just take a small tape like that, and then I'm gonna tape it over here. So if I had 10 triangles, I would have an extra triangle flap up here. I would just fold that down and then I would glue it. So it would have the same effect of holding it together there. And now you have your hexaflexagon, and it goes forwards. Oops, got stuck a little bit. It goes forwards and it goes backwards. So super fun to play with, and you can even color yours in just like I did here. And it's super fun, easy to use, and easy to make. So I hope you enjoyed and learned something.